Good morning and welcome to another edition of Wake Up with SEO, where we brief you on search engine changes that you need to know each week. Thank you for tuning in, whether it's live or on the replay. We had a little bit of technical difficulties this morning, so we appreciate you bearing with us. And as always, if you find this information valuable, educational, and you think somebody could really use this information and change something in their business, please like, comment, or share. It certainly helps us get it in front of more of an audience, and our goal is to always be providing education and transparency within the search engine world. So hopefully you value it and keep coming back and liking our content. So in search engine news, Google released breaking information that is going to be requiring businesses to verify their identity if they are running Google ad campaigns, whether that's on search, display, or YouTube. So the new policy is tied to their 2018 policy update requiring identification, and this was specifically for political advertisements, but Google has announced that this is rolling out to the United States first and then globally. It's going to certainly take several years for Google to thread through every single business owner and these ads. However, they have released the information that they are going to be looking for. So first and foremost, personal identification from the business incorporation documents, so your business license, and possibly other items, especially where you are operating. So what geography, if you're running ads in, say, Cincinnati, Ohio, and you're located in Louisville, Kentucky, your ads will now or soon have a disclaimer allowing consumers to see your identity as a business and where you are operating from. So this is new news from Google, and you as a business owner may have already experienced this verification process through Google guaranteed ads. However, as this rolls out, if you are not abiding by the new verification requirements, your Google ad campaign will be suspended and of course tied to your business history from Google ad platform. So if you're a business owner currently running ads, make sure you log into your Google ad account. Make sure you don't have any notifications requiring this new information, or contact your Google ad agency or certified Google partner, and they will have more information regarding the rollout of this new process. So again, Google is not prioritizing businesses for this or industries. We can only make assumptions there, and we'll keep you informed if they do roll out a priority status for business owners and getting these verification documents uploaded to your account. So just make sure that you stay informed and you're aware that your ad account could be suspended if these documents are not uploaded to your Google ad account. In other news, Bing released an update that we are really excited about. They have partnered with the big crowdfunding platform GoFundMe. So GoFundMe is a platform that allows you to give donations to businesses or startups, and now GoFundMe is allowing Bing Places to integrate with a business GoFundMe page and receive donations right from your Bing local business listing. So it will show up right below your directions and website and allow fans or visitors of your business to legitimately donate to your business right from Bing Places. So if you've never set up a Bing Places, now's the time to not only help your local SEO, but hopefully gain a little bit of revenue through the coronavirus, especially thinking of hair salons, daycares, places of businesses that have not been able to operate and open their doors. This is certainly a way that you can easily give back to these businesses and help them through the difficult times right now and probably ahead. The feature is currently only available to new GoFundMe accounts. So if you are a business owner and you've never utilized GoFundMe, go ahead, set up your page on GoFundMe. And once that's complete, you can then link it to your Bing Places account so that that featured button to donate to your business will be live right on Bing Local. Now, GoFundMe is not charging businesses a platform fee. However, they are charging a 2.9% fee processing for payment fee, as well as a 30-cent per donation fee. So ultimately lowering the fees and processing charges that they typically implement for a new fundraiser on the platform. So please go set up your fundraising page, then sign in to your Bing Places account and make sure that you click the Get Started button so that you can link both pages and hopefully generate some free money from fans, friends, and people that miss your business. So please share this information, especially if you know somebody who is really just spread thin right now and trying to really climb the mountain and keep their business afloat. This is something that they can then distribute and share to their contacts, email list, and hopefully generate some revenue through the coronavirus. So again, we hope that you found this information valuable. Please share, comment, or like this content. Visit guardianowldigital.com if you want to contact us or ask a question in regards to this information that has just been released. And we look forward to seeing you next Wednesday right back here at the Nest on Wake Up with SEO. Have a great week.